Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us that very first time, welcome as well. It's good to have you. And our topic for you today is creating a successful member referral program. Creating a successful member referral program. Now, before we get into our topic today, just a quick reminder, my focus, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can, across the globe. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel. So if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. And then to learn more about me, learn more about my company and how we can help take your business that next level, be sure to check out those links below. And for you folks who are looking to open a new gym, you need funding. You're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding. You might have an existing operation, you need working capital. We can help provide funding options for up to $500,000 in funding. That is unsecured. There's no restrictions on use. And the basic qualification for that program is a 680 credit score or better in all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and then a minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the two previous years. You can check out the links below under financing and funding for additional information on that program, as well as other options we have available to you. And so with that said, let's get into our topic, and it's how to create a successful member referral program. And so I want to give you some basic things to think about on member referrals and getting a program set up. First and foremost, I think this is a highly underutilized source. In most cases, we're getting referrals simply because people are bringing them to us, not because we're generating, okay? We're in the way of it. It's kind of happening organically. The more we can start to work this and work it effectively, it's a great cost-effective source for you as an individual salesperson and a great way for ownership to really exponentially grow your business. And so number one I want to suggest is set a quota. Set a quota. Maybe the quota is you want 3 point-of-sale referrals for every person you sign up. Maybe the quota is you want to sign up 100 referrals a month for the club. But pick a number. And I would venture to say, wherever you're at right now, double it. Just double the number. Say, we want to do double that. And then create an action plan to reach it. Let's start there, okay? But set a quota. Don't just say we're going to get referrals. It's like saying I want to lose weight. You need to say I want to lose 20 pounds and I want to do it by the end of the month. You need to define it, okay? So set a quota. Number two, when it comes to referrals, just know we want to serve the customer and we want to sell benefits. What we're not trying to do is, hey, Mary, who do you know that wants to join? I mean, there might be a time and place for that, but for the most part, that's not what we're doing. For the most part, hey, what we have found is that our members that have a workout partner, even if it's for only one day, they come in more frequently, they have more fun, they push themselves harder, they get into a better habit, and in the end, they get the results quicker. Okay, the benefits. Talk about the benefits and how it benefits your customer. Stay away from, do you want to join? Or who do you know that wants to join? Now, stay away from that kind of talk unless they prompt it. Okay. Number three, everybody gets a free gift. Everybody gets a free gift. The member that sponsored them in gets a free gift, and the person that joined gets a free gift. Check out the links below under Apparel. You can actually get premium apparel items that are branded and no inventory. Okay, it's a great way to really do this. But have a free gift for everybody, and always make sure you have urgency on those free gifts. Okay, in that, hey, here's our campaign for this month, this 30 days, this is what we're doing, okay? And then next month it's something else. But have a free gift, have free swag. First new member, you get this. Second new member, you get this. Third new member, you get this. So make sure free gifts to join. And then number four, train your staff. Train your staff. And if you're that staff, make sure you go out and get training if you're not getting it there. But get training. Role play this. Practice this. The reason you practice it, the reason you want to know all this stuff so well is you want it to become second nature. so that you get into a tough situation or you're pushed or you're pulled, it comes out normal. Okay? It's not meant to be read as a script, but you need to know it because you want it to be part of who you are. It's no different than you're on stage and you're acting in a play or you're singing a song. You know it so well, you're now free to be yourself. And that's ultimately what you're trying to do. But make sure there's some kind of regular training component on this to help you move this forward. Don't let it stall out on you. This can be one of the single biggest difference makers for you, member referral programs, because you've got a happy member who's bringing in friends. This is going to help retention, and it's going to help membership growth, and it's going to all do it on a cost-effective basis. So folks, again, my name is Jim Thomas. My company's Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. And then again, for you folks who are looking to open a new gym, you need funding. You're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding. You're looking to get working capital for an existing operation. You know, we can help provide funding options for up to $500,000 in funding. That is unsecured. There's no restrictions on use. And the basic qualification for that program is a 680 credit score or better in all three credit bureaus, you know, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and then a minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the two previous years. You can check out the links below under financing and funding for additional information on that program, and as well as other options on how we can help you grow and develop your business. And so with that said, appreciate you being here today, and we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.